Hello, good morning to my second grade class. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020, 3/30/20. Hey guys, we're starting our third week and we're excited to do that. Remember that Mondays and Tuesdays are regular scheduled work days. Wednesday is our day for play. So that's going to give you a little bit of a break in the middle of the week to do whatever you guys need to do. And then Thursday and Friday, we'll be back to just a regular morning's work schedule. All right, so for our early bird, it's going to look just like what you guys have always been doing. It's going to have Monday, and it's packet number 26, okay? Monday and packet number 26. All right, so you always start with correct the sentences. So make sure you're looking for, making sure all sentences start with a capital letter. Looking at the punctuation. Is it a question? Is it a statement? And you're also going to be looking for what you might need to capitalize or the grammar might change in the sentence. Okay, so what you need to do is start with the punctuation and the capitalization. Then go through and look at any names. Remember, our proper nouns are nouns that are specific to a person, place, thing, something that needs to be capitalized. Then you're going to go back through and read the sentence out loud the way it is written, and you're going to see if that makes sense. And then if anything doesn't make sense, you need to change it to what you think that would make better sense. Okay? So that's question 1 and 2. And then abbreviations, you guys just kind of look and see what makes sense for that abbreviation. So like for this one, you're going to look for the abbreviation for foot. So most likely it's going to start with the same letter. So foot starts with F. So be looking for things that make sense, okay? Find the word that is opposite of play. You guys know what that is. Check through, read all 4 of your options and pick the best choice. And which word is spelled correctly, okay? All right, then you just got a little bit of like a math warm-up and a word problem on the back, which you need to, again, draw your pictures, okay? Draw your pictures and write your number sentence before you come up with your solution. And then you've got a little passage to read and to answer some questions, just like what we always do for early bird. All right, you guys, for your writing notebook, you're going to be continuing to use the April prompts with the umbrella, okay? So you're going to pick from these for today and tomorrow, and then we're going to switch to the April passages for Thursday and Friday. So finish these out for Monday and Tuesday, and then you've got another passage that you guys printed or that you have in your packet that looks like this with the 3 children and the umbrellas, and that's going to be for Thursday and Friday. Okay? And remember when you're writing your prompts, remember your pause. Okay? So that is use punctuation in every sentence, the beginning and the end. Always use your best handwriting. Write in complete sentences and start each sentence with a capital letter. All right, remember your pause. And you're also going to, if you need some prompts to help you extend to, remember we're supposed to do 4 sentences, 4 complete sentences. So first, next, then, and last. Use these prompts in your journal to get through your 4 sentences. First, next, then, and last. And that will get you through your 4 sentences. Okay? All right, so you should be done with your journal at that point. I also have in here as just as a word bank and some suggestions for how to start your sentences. This should have been scanned and this should have been printed in your scans that I sent to your moms and dads. So these are sentence starters. So these are good ideas to start your sentences with when you're writing in your journal, okay? You really can use this anytime, even when you might have to write sentences in maybe your word work or your spelling. This is something good to pull out, sentence starters. Then you've got your adjective list again, okay? So make sure you're using your adjectives, you're describing words, and making your sentences interesting and creative. Then all of the rest of these words, so bird, butterfly, fly, grasshopper, bee, umbrella, rain, mud, rain boot, puddle, ladybug, worm, garden, wheelbarrow, flower. These will kind of go with you into April. Look, guys, here's some good words to use for your rain prompts for this week. Umbrella, rain, mud, rain boots, and puddle. And then they just keep going. All different words that you can use for the next few weeks that'll get you through April and May. Okay, so all of these words you're just going to keep together in a packet. And whenever you're writing your journal, you're going to pull these out. And these will be some good word bank words that you can go to help you get ideas for what to write in your journal. All right? So all of this is one big packet that you can just use like a paper clip or a rubber band and keep it all together. Okay? That's for your journal writing. All right, if you're in my math class, you're going to be starting with differences within 20, okay? And we know how to do these now. You're cutting them out and you're gluing them on in order, all right? So you're going to start with the math warm-up. And then page 567, this is a scanned and printed copy, so mine's black and white, but yours will either look like this or you'll have, if you came by and picked up the packet, you'll have the actual page in the math book, so it might look a little different. But 567, 568, so that's front and back, that's one page, and then 569, front and back, page 570. So these are like front and back. It's one page, but it's front and back. All right? So you're going to have 2 pages or 4 single pages to work on through 570. All right, your spelling. So because today is Monday, we have a little bit more to do to get us ready for the week. You're going to start with your word sort. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 words this week. So you're going to remember, you cut these out, cut all of these out, glue in your word families at the top of your journal, turn these words upside down after they're cut out, mix them up, and then randomly pick up a word and read it and find the word family and which category it needs to be glued under. The first thing you need to do, though, is read through this and decide what your 2 families are. So this week we have OW, ow, and OU, ow. But they're 2 different spellings with the same word. So cow is OW and sound is OU. So make sure the first thing you do is read through all of your words so you start to see the pattern for your sort, okay? So read through it, cut them all out, put your headers on, and then turn your cards up, mix them around, pick one up at a time, say the word, and sort it. These are your word sort, okay? The next thing you're gonna do, all of your spelling words are on one page. So you're going to cut out all of your spelling words. There's 12 on here. And you're going to put them in a safe spot, in a little bag or somewhere where you can access them for the whole week of spelling, okay? Then you're going to do this fun little activity, spring spying. Hide each spelling word in the picture by writing the word as small as you can, but neatly. So you can just put all of your words, teeny, teeny, tiny, wherever you can find. See if you can fit it inside a flower or in a leaf or in her top of her shoe or in one of these kite stripes or in a stripe on her shirt or in her little hair right there, okay? Her arm, her knee, socks, all right? So you're gonna write your 12 words, teeny tiny, on this sheet. All right, then you're gonna move on to your word work. Hunting for nouns. You guys know how to do this. So what is a noun? You guys remember? You guys remember? A noun is a person, place, thing, all right? So you are hunting for nouns and finding them in your word find. You can highlight them with a highlighter or a magic marker. It's easier if you want to. Actually, it might be better if you circle it or put a line through it. That way I can see it better when it's scanned because I might not be able to see it, all right? So use either mark through it or circle it, okay? Then I have combined your reading and your social studies this week. So you have reading and social studies under the same notebook. It's not going to be separate. So that's why this says reading notebook and social studies work. So we are starting our unit on learning about continents and oceans. So the first thing that you're going to do is read the paragraph and answer the questions. This is about continents and oceans. So remember to go back in and highlight your evidence in your text however you want, and that will help you answer the questions as you're reading it. Go back up and read it again and look for the second question. Go back up and read it again. Look for the third question. Go back up and read it again, okay? So make sure you're reading through this stuff and highlighting in your evidence, okay? That way you can answer your questions easier. So this is the reading piece to your day and comprehension. And then for social studies, what you're going to get to do today is color your cover. We're going to be making a little booklet. So you're going to color your cover, continents and oceans, and you're going to color this right here. There are 7 major continents in the world. Actually, you know what? Wait on this. You can go ahead and color the ocean, but wait to color your continents because each one is going to be a specific color and you're not going to know that until tomorrow. So you're going to color your front page. You can color all these little letters, different colors, however you want to decorate this. Then go ahead and color in the ocean and wait to color in your continents. Down here, okay? Wait to color your continents because those are going to be colored a specific color and you're going to start learning about that tomorrow, okay? All right, so that is it for your work for today, okay, guys? Remember that Ellen will be calling you guys twice a week. You should be getting a phone call from her either Monday and Tuesday or Thursday or Friday. And she is calling specifically to help you guys with work questions if you need help, okay? So Ellen should be your first point of reference for any questions that you might have with your work, all right? And then if you if your mom needs to talk to me directly, then I'm sending out an email to discuss that, or you guys may have already gotten it today. So that'll have all the details in it about that. But your first line of assistance is through Miss Marandino. Okay, that's why we have her calling every day to help you guys along the way. All right? Okay, you guys. Oh, I made a sign for you guys. Second grade rocks. Miss all you guys. Miss you all. All right, have a great Monday, and I will talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.